Welcome back to Amatip IT's HTML tutorial series. Part 4. In this video, we will dive deeper into HTML, focusing on advanced techniques and elements. First, let's talk about the importance of semantic HTML. Semantic HTML helps search engines understand the structure and content of your web page. One essential element is the header tag, which defines the header of a document or section. The header tag should contain the most important information about your web page. Next, let's explore the nav tag, which defines a set of navigation links. The nav tag is used to create a menu or navigation bar for your website. Now, let's discuss the article tag, which represents a self-contained piece of content. The article tag is ideal for blog posts, news articles, and forum threads. Another important element is the section tag, which groups related content together. Sections can be used to organize the content on your web page into meaningful chunks. Moving on, let's look at the aside tag, which represents content that is tangentially related to your main content. Examples include sidebars, pull quotes, and advertisements. Now, let's explore the figure and figcaption tags, used together to add captions to images or graphical content. By using these tags, you can enhance the accessibility and understandability of your web page. Next, let's consider the footer tag, which defines the footer section of a web page or a section. The footer can contain copyright information, contact details, and other relevant information. Now that we've covered semantic HTML elements, let's discuss another crucial aspect of HTML: forms. Forms allow users to input data, such as submitting a contact form or signing up for a newsletter. To create a form, you need to use the form tag and a variety of input tags, such as text fields, checkboxes, and radio buttons. In addition to input tags, you can also include buttons, like submit or reset buttons. Finally, let's not forget about validation and form security. HTML5 provides built-in validation features to ensure that user input meets specified requirements. You can also incorporate server-side validation to further secure your forms. That wraps up our HTML tutorial on advanced techniques and elements. Thank you for watching Amatip IT's HTML Part 4 video. Stay tuned for more tutorials soon.